As the name goes, the breathing apparatus has all the necessary equipment fitted into it that will allow the rescue professionals to carry out their work without any interruption and with utmost safety. There are two major types of SCBA that are in use today: the open circuit SCBA and the closed circuit SCBA. The main difference between the two is that the former one is used for rescue operations that tend to be very long. Number 1. One or two cylinders containing air under pressure. Number 2. A harness to mount the cylinders on the back of the person. Number 3. A respiratory system which has a mean to reduce the pressure of air from the cylinder and of supplying the wearer with air on demand. Number 4. A face mask is attached to a demand valve that maintains a positive pressure inside the mask at all times. There are three main types of breathing apparatus: escape, self-contained, and airline. Escape breathing apparatus is used for self-rescue from an environment that has become hazardous after entry into it. The most common example of this in use is in a confined space where there is no immediate danger from a gas or oxygen deficiency, but the risk of that danger remains. Self-contained breathing apparatus (SCBA) or compressed air breathing apparatus (CABA) is used for entry into a known hazardous environment. Airline breathing apparatus is where the air supply is removed from the user and they are fed compressed air via an airlock. Resuscitator is a device using a positive pressure to inflate the lungs of an unconscious person who is not breathing in order to keep them oxygenated and alive. A resuscitator is a device used to force oxygen into the lungs of a person who is not breathing. The benefits of using the Neopuff infant resuscitator rather than the other free-flow oxygen delivery methods include the ability to provide continuous positive airway pressure to spontaneously breathing infant, as well as providing IPPV with PEEP without having to change equipment during resuscitation. Evacuation, escape, and rescue. All facilities should have an emergency escape and rescue (ER) plan whose object is to ensure the safety of personnel during the course of an emergency. The following guidance is of offshore facilities which are generally very congested, but it is useful for developing a similar plan onshore. Provide a safe area or temporary refuge where personnel can gather until the incident is brought under control. The safe area should be protected from smoke and gas ingress. Provide a means for personnel to leave their area of work where the incident is taking place.